It's your girl Key. There's changes at Key for Change. My caretaker's been here today and has been addressing room one. So room one is getting a makeover. Nothing too drastic, but we're just redoing the walls. I better not touch it, otherwise I get in trouble. But we're redoing the walls and just freshening up the place a little bit. So we've just been to Wix and bought some apparatus, which is interesting. So here's some stuff. We're going to get new chairs as well, just to make sure, I keep on top of things. And, it's interesting. Recently, somebody said to me, Key, you need to change up your videos. They're all the same. Maybe you get more views if you did it a bit different. I hear that. And I think I've been meditating on that because it's not left me alone. And maybe that's why I'm talking about it now. And I thought to myself, oh, maybe I do need to change it up. It's the same formula. I've been watching Dizzle recently because I'm getting back into comedy, just watching other comedians and their flair and style. And I thought, he had a series called Wasteman Chronicles. And I thought to myself, what am I going to do differently? And I kind of think to myself, I don't know. I don't know, really. I don't have any plans at the current time, apart from the fact that I want another location for Key for Change. So I've had a disappointment. My Earls Court residence fell through for whatever reason. Who knows? People aren't always honest with you, but the reality is that won't be materializing. And I just thought how easy it is to feel sorry for myself about that. Like, oh my God, I'm here trying, why is it not happening? But you know what? Victimhood is not for me. You know what? Life happens. And as they say, when one door is closed, you never know what may open. And so I have to keep the faith. And as I was saying today, like, it's hard when you're in it because you feel like, oh my God, why didn't that come through for me? Why can't I progress? But at the end of the day, you know what? Years later, when different things have unfolded for us, we'll be like, I'm glad that never happened, because if A, B, C, E, E, F, G happened, I wouldn't be where I am now. So I just have to trust and put it to the Creator, our Father, God, however you choose to divide, however you think about a higher power. I call it God or higher power, or whatever I feel like at the time, and just say, you know what, I just have to trust the process, because nothing beats time, and I have to get my own ego out the way. And so I'm just here at Key for Change. As you know, I've been here for 5 years now, and we're about to change room one. We're going to room two tomorrow to do exactly the same. And I'm just really grateful that I've been here for this long, that the vision and the idea I had for myself has materialized, and it's been profitable. And I've been so blessed and so graced that I can be on my office and I can hear other people come into this place to share what's going on in their life and to make changes. And I feel very privileged that not only am I now able to help my clients, but I'm also able to support other therapists who are helping their clients to change your life. And that is something I never, ever, ever, no one could have ever told me that this is how my life would go. But here we are today, and that is my reality. And that's just one thing I wanted to say to you out there, like, pursue a dream, because there may well be a raft of unintended consequences that emerge from your dream that change your life in ways that you would have never, ever, 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 ever expected. It is indeed a beautiful life. And remember, the universe, life is progressive, and stagnation is not in our nature. So when we're stuck, it's not in our nature. There's going to be a part of you that's going to be pushing you to find a solution. And sometimes if you're all in your head, you may be trying to strategize and think of a solution, but it may not necessarily be the way. Sometimes we need to seek wise counsel and reach out to others so that a way can be found. And it's really interesting because I remember growing up, I used to be told that I'm too fast and that I listen to everything. You hear everything, you don't miss nothing. And I was criticized because I was often told that I had small ears, but actually I hear everything. And it was put downs. And I remember also thinking differently and being put down for that. Why do you look at things like that? It's something I'd often hear. And actually, what a gift I have been blessed with, because it's actually me looking at things differently and not in the traditional way That absolutely helps me as a therapist. It helps me when people come to me with their life dilemmas and they have a way of thinking about their problem and they think that that is it. And I flick something on them and they're like, uh-oh. And then I can see them start to chew it over and think, okay. And then ideas start to come and we get creative. And trust me, a way can be found, a way can be found, a way can be found for you. Your life can change. I'm here to tell you that today. Because if I'm in here at Key for Change, then and I'm helping other people to grow their businesses, to grow their vision, and I'm helping my clients. And I'm now looking for other offices so we can just do more, give more, share more, inspire more. If I can do this, then you have the potential to do it for yourself too. But remember, we need more than just potential. You need faith, determination. You've got to do delayed gratification. Yeah, because it's a long road. It ain't no quick fix. Because nothing quick is good. We want it long, strong, and we want to build bonds. I hope that speaks to someone out there, because it seems I'm getting poetical. But just remember, the universe is progressive and stagnation is not in your nature. Life is not about stagnation. Life is about growth and life is about change. So if you're fighting change, or if you're stuck and you're in a rut, you're not meant to be there. It's time to elevate up. Maybe you just need some assistance with doing that. If so, I've got tools on the Key for Change website. Go over to my resources page. I keep creating more and more tools, and I'm told to stop creating more tools, but hey ho, it's in my nature. I am a child of the creator, and so I create. And check them out. See if there's anything there that inspires you, or if you're stuck, or if you're in a very difficult space in your life where you feel you can't move forward. Inbox your girl Key. I'm happy to do a video for you. I'm happy to share any wisdom, any advice, any encouragement to you, to help you to even just point you in the right direction. Take care of you, Keeley from Key for Change, making change, because we've been here for 5 years now. 5 years. Who would have known that 5 years on, I would still be here? And the idea that I birthed, which was about having a little therapy center to help other people, would come to fruition. So here we are. We've also got room 2 as well, and we have room 3 down there. So, you know, we are all about, room 3 is down there. We're all about helping people take care of you, because if you don't, no one is coming to rescue you. So we got to dust ourselves down, get up, and we got to find a way. A way can be found. A way can be found. Trust me. Take care of you. Boom.